Welcome back. I'm Johnny Claus here at A1A Vapors, and today we're going to talk about the new Freemax Twister. This device is pretty sweet. Let's talk about a few things about this, but let's talk about the tank first. The tank is a 5 ml capacity tank. Unlike the very first Freemax Fire Loop mesh tank, it has a slide top, not like the Mesh Pro, like so. It has a very big fill port. The coil that's pre-installed in it is the X2, so I'm going to show you that. The X2 is a 0.2 ohm coil, and it's good from 40 to 80 watts. So let's take a good look at this, like that right there. Things they've changed about this coil, let me get close up here real quick, is if you look at the wicking window here, and then you look at the side one right here, it's actually like cut out a little bit so the juice can go deeper into the coil and keep it saturated to prevent dry hits and burning the coil. Anyway, so this coil is really simple to change. You just spin this out like this, and you just put the coil in back like this, and then you just slide this on here and spin, and voila, there she is. The other coil that comes inside the box is the single mesh coil, which is a 0.15 ohm coil, good from 40 to 90 watts. Also, what's inside the box is a replacement glass, the extra coil which I just showed you, charger cable, a little direction manual here, like that. A little more information, a little warning card here, and a backup O-ring kit. Let's talk about the battery portion of this device here. So with a lot of stick style, removable tank style kits like this, they're just 5 on, 5 off, and then at the beginning of the day when you take it out the charger it's at 100%, and as the day goes down, so does your battery. Well, here, this device here actually is adjustable wattage, so depending on where you set the wattage, no matter where your battery is at 100% or 40%, if you set it at 60 watts, it'll stay at 60 watts. Now I'll show you a close up here of the actual twist portion, like that, so you can actually see. So the adjustability is from 5 watts to 80 watts. Here, let's take another vape here. I'm going to turn the airflow wide open. The airflow right here is adjustable with hard stops on both sides, so it doesn't just keep spinning. But this is 80 watts with the X2 coil, and let's just take a vape real quick and see the production in here on how this thing performs. This is exactly what I expected from Freemax. This coil makes fantastic flavor. It has plenty of airflow. Actually, let's take a vape at about half airflow here. This is freaking sweet right here. The ability to have a stick style mod with adjustability of wattage is fantastic, and just the fact that you can take the tank off, it's not built into the body, is really nice. So you just like that. If you want to put a different tank on here, for instance, and you know, a lot of people like the small stick style battery devices. I actually put my Wotofo RDTA on this and on this other one here just to see how it's going to perform. This is a 0.15 dual coil build here, and let's take a vape on this real quick. And I'm really digging this device combination right here. just the ability to have a stick and change the wattage is really nice. It is really nice. The Twister here comes in a whole bunch of different colors, so I'm just going to show you all of them because they're really outdone themselves this time. This is not a wrap or a sticker. It looks like it's like hydro dipped or something like that, but it is on there real good here. And here's the blue one. It does have an A10 drip tip, which you can replace. And I'll pull this one out here if I can get it off. Like this. The drip tip also has two O-rings here and an O-ring on the inside here as well. Let me show you some of the other colors real quick. Here's the orange one. And the green one. And with all of these, they have matching drip tip to, you know, go with the mod, which is pretty cool. Black and white one. The orange one. And there's two more here. I think I should do the orange one twice. Here's the red one. The battery portion of this device is a 2600 milliamp hour battery, and I believe it's the 21600 battery that's inside. It is not removable, it is built in. It does have a very nice gold plated 510 spring loaded connection, which I'm going to show you real quick here. The wattage adjustment here is very clicky and has a nice feel to it, and obviously it has a stopper on both sides. Like I said earlier, it's 5 to 80 watts, and you can definitely see the difference when you adjust it. But yeah, this is the Freemax Twister. I'm really digging this thing. It is putting out really good flavor. This X2 coil is fantastic. And what are we vaping on today? Frosty Science by Cloud Chemist. This stuff is fantastic. This is the strawberry version. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. And we have all the Cloud Chemist flavors in stock. But yeah, as for the Twister, this is fantastic. You know, having a stick style mod with an adjustable watch is great, because I've had stick mods before, or stick and tank combination, like the baby VA and stuff like that, but just having the adjustability is a big pro in my opinion. And the flavor out of this new coil is fantastic. They've really outdone themselves this time. Just the overall, you know, the look, the feel, how solid it is, but it's not overly heavy. You gotta check it out. But I'm Johnny Clouds, keeping it cloudy here at A1A Vapors. Alright YouTube, have a fantastic day.